this terrible tragedy struck us here in Wayanad, I traveled here with my brother for one of the first times that I was coming here. When I came that day, what I saw will never leave me. You had lost everything. Your homes, your families, your schools, your shops, your businesses, everything. In our own ways, we have tried our best to raise your voices on different platforms, to demand justice for you, and to try to do our best to support you. I'm proud to say that our efforts also were across party lines. All different political parties did try to help and support you through this period. And as your struggle continues, we will continue to stand by you and support you.